Dirt Fishman here, y'all. Today to do a video. I'm going to do the Laramie challenge with the cop cars. And the first up is the Mosquito cop car Metro Police. Now I'm about to open this up and put it on the turner. We can see what it looks like on the turner. Let's see what it does. There we go. Metro Police. Old Dodge Charger. Got the symbol in the front of it with the Charger on it, with the ram head. Got the light bar on top. Yeah. I don't got many cop cars, so it's going to be a short video here. We got the Charger on the back of it with the Dodge symbol. Alright. Next up is the Matchbox Ford Police Interceptor. Let's open this bad boy up and see what it looks like on the turner. Alright, let's take this one out. Put this one on. Uh-oh. This one's going to roll pretty good. Alright, how about that? It's the Ford Police Interceptor. Got the push bar in front of it. Got some light detail on it. Got them old cop rims on it. It was the black, it was the silver. Yeah, I like that flat gray on it. Makes the car look good. Yeah. Next up is the Matchbox 2016 Ford. They wrote their utility one. Let's open this bad boy up and put it on the turner. Oh, it's got another piece of plastic in it to protect it. How about that? About got my fingernail on it. Let's see. Alright, let's put this on there. See if it's going to roll off. Yeah. Well, I think maybe ain't quite level. Get the police on it. Get the push bar on it. Still wanting to roll. Got them old cop rims on it. It's a nice Expedition cop car. Alright, next up is the Hot Wheels Volkswagen Golf MK7 cop car. Let's open this bad boy up and see what it looks like on there. See how fast it wants to roll off on me. Let's see. There we go. It's a nice little Volkswagen cop car. Overseas cop car there. Got the Hot Wheels logo on it. I like the blue window tint on it. That's pretty cool. Alright, up next is the 2016 BMW M2 police car. Hyper Interceptor. Let's open this bad boy up. So it looks on the turn. Alright, let's put it on. There we go. Got the yellow and blue checker flag look on it. Hyper Interceptor. And police on the hood. With the BMW symbol on the hood. Blacked out rims. That's a nice one there too. All right. Up next is the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT Rescue Charger. Let's open this bad boy up and see what it looks like on the turner. Come on. Don't want to come out. All right. Let's see how it looks like on there. Got Pursuit 7 on it. Yellow. Got a little light bar on top of it. On Dodge Charger. Yep. Wish they'd have put some front and back detail on that one, but they didn't. Yep. All right, up next is the Alpha Pursuit Hot Wheels. I classify this as a cop car. I don't know about y'all. See what it looks like on the turner. Uh-oh, it's going to roll off on me too. There we go. Rescue Alpha. The blue and orange on it. With blue tin on it. Yep, I know we don't buy these fantasy cars, but hey, it's a police car, so I got it for this challenge here. Up next is some well-worn cars that my brother-in-law let me use for this video. You can tell they worn too. Well played with. Here goes Gotham City Police Department. With the blue windows on it, tint. Yeah, got the Gotham Police on it. Uh-oh, it's going to roll off on me. Next up is a military police utility truck. It's got the dogs in the back of it for rescuing people. Nice. Got military police on the door with the military star. It's got BMX on the side of it too. Nice little work truck. All right, next up is the Camaro cop car. You can tell this one's well worn, well played with. All the paint's about to come off of that one. You can still make out police on the hood and the star on the door. Well played with car there. Survivor. Up next is another Camaro cop car. And well played with. Yep, and see the paint starting to come off on it too. Well played with cars. Yep. Next up is another Crown Vic Interceptor. Police car has been well played with. Yep. Next up is a 95 Chevrolet Caprice cop car. Been well played with. Even lost its light bar in playing. It's still an old classic. It's a state police officer. Yep. Well, y'all, this is it of my cop cars that I got in my collection. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, please. Dirt Fisherman out.